Hello, today we will guide you through how to create interactive dashboards in Claude AI. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and focused so you can follow along easily. The goal here is to use Zapier MCP as the starting point and then provide a sample prompt related to building an interactive dashboard. If you're recording your screen or following this process live, it helps to have your browser open and ready before you begin. To get started, go to Zapier MCP. You can open it directly in your browser and wait for the page to fully load. This is the workspace where you'll begin the process, so take a brief moment to make sure everything is visible and working properly on the screen. If the page takes a few seconds to appear, that's perfectly normal. Once you're there, you should be ready for the next part. After arriving on Zapier MCP, the next step is to enter a sample prompt about creating an interactive dashboard. This is where you clearly describe what you want Claude AI to help generate or support. When entering your prompt, try to keep your wording direct and specific so the request is easy to understand. For example, your prompt should indicate that you want an interactive dashboard and may mention the type of information or layout you want it to include. The clearer the request, the more useful the output is likely to be. As you type, it's a good idea to review the wording before submitting anything. Small adjustments in phrasing can make a big difference in how well the system understands your intent. If your prompt feels too broad, refine it slightly so it stays focused on dashboard creation. If it feels too short, add just enough detail to clarify the purpose. The key is to provide a simple, usable starting instruction. Once the sample prompt is entered, you've completed the core setup shown in this guide. From here, the prompt can serve as the foundation for generating ideas, structures, or next actions related to an interactive dashboard in Claude AI. Even though this is a short process, taking care with the wording at this stage can save time later and lead to better results. That's it for this guide on how to create interactive dashboards in Claude AI. Follow these steps carefully, keep your prompt clear, and you'll have a strong starting point for building out your dashboard workflow.